we're going to do another geometric problem, and this one's going to use the Pythagorean theorem. If you recall, our Pythagorean theorem says if we have a right triangle and the sides are of length A and B and the hypotenuse has length C, then the sum of the squares of the sides, a squared plus b squared, must equal the square of the hypotenuse. This is another useful bit of information. Let's take a triangle where the problem we're working with is that one leg is 2 centimeters more than, and the phrase more than is a hot tip that you're going to be adding, twice the other. Twice, of course, is the hot tip that there's some kind of multiplication involved. Now, we're also told that the hypotenuse is 1 centimeter longer, not larger, longer than the longer leg. I guess I could have said larger as well. Find the lengths of the sides. That means I want to get the A, the B, and the C from that generic picture up there. Again, circle what it is you're looking for so you can go back and easily find out whether you have answered the right question. Our first move is going to be to draw a picture. And I'm going to start writing equations on this. Let me just call the short leg L. And I have a long leg, and I have a hypotenuse. Now, one leg is 2 centimeters more than twice the other. All right? 2 centimeters more than is plus 2. Twice the other is 2 times whatever the other is. So 2 other plus 2. The long leg, let me refer it to the short legs, since one's, that's our only option. We have 2 legs, one's longer, if that makes any kind of sense. I will put 2L where I had other before, plus 2. And then the hypotenuse is 1 centimeter longer than the longer leg. So the hypotenuse must be the long leg, which was 2L plus 2, 1 centimeter longer plus 1. Let me clean that up a little bit. We've got the short leg L, the long leg 2L plus 2. The hypotenuse, I'll just rewrite down here, is going to be 2L plus 3 then, since I made my picture rather messy. Well, Pythagorean's theorem, leg squared plus leg squared is hypotenuse squared, or in this case, short squared equations. Short squared plus long squared must equal the hypotenuse squared. Getting rid of the words, putting in the expressions that we have, L squared, that was our short leg, plus 2L plus 2 squared must be 2L plus 3 squared. I'm not going to go through the whole process of multiplying this out. I'll just tell you that it's going to work out very beautifully. You can go home and check it, or sit at your desk and check it. 2L squared minus 4L minus 5 equals 0. A very lovely equation, which will factor to L minus 5 times L plus 1 equals 0. Setting each factor equal to 0. Step 3, solve. L minus 5 equals 0. L could equal 5. Or, setting L plus 1 equal to 0, subtract 1 from each side, L could equal negative 1. Well, we can't have a negative length. So we're going to discard the negative 1 and take the length of the short leg equal to 5 as being the reasonable answer. And we're going to go back and look at the question asked. Reasonable, that's going to be the 5. What was the question asked? Find the lengths of the legs. So our picture, L was our short leg, which is 5. The long side was 2L plus 2, so that's going to be 2 times 5 plus 2, which is 12. So we have a length of 5 centimeters and a length of 12 centimeters. And the hypotenuse is 2L plus 3, which is 2 times 5 plus 3, and that is 13. And to write it in the list, legs are 5 and 12, and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. And that is the end of this example, and that is the end of this segment.